Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone. When stormy night will go, 5 people that door is open once again. This time, twice. Discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination. Here we go. Here we go. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any fact. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Yes. One more time.
Thank you for watching. Please help this channel grow by subscribing and smashing the like button. If you enjoyed this video, try one of the others shown above for more. As always, let us know in the comments below how much you are enjoying the channel.